square root of 2.
Yep. So factors of 3 are 3 and 1, you're saying?
Yeah.
What else?
Factors of 5.
Factors of 5 are?
And one late breaking announcement, there will be guitar clinic with Mr. Hasse. Will be held in the library tomorrow morning at 7:30. Guitar clinic with Mr. Hasse tomorrow, 7:30 in the library. Thank you.
All right, here we go. So what needs to go first? Blake, zip it.
3.
3. And what else?
1.
1p. There you go. All right, let's see. So do I need to do... Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. All right, do I need to do 3 times 1 or do I need to do 3 times 5?
3 times 1.
What is 3 times 1?
3.
3. All right. So let's see. That leaves me with 1 times 5 left over. 1 times 5 is how much? 5. All right. I'm trying to get to negative 2. So how will 3 and 5 give me negative 2? 3 minus 5. So that means the negative needs to go with the 5. Positive needs to go with the over here. Kyra, do you have a pass back? All right. What about number 10? What do I got to do on number 10?
Factors of 5 and 1.
Factors of what?
5.
5.
3 and 5.
And factors of 12?
1 and 12. 3 and 4.
Very good. All right, I'm trying to get to 19, so here we go. Guys, like, for real, I've had it up to here with the interruptions. I've had it up to here with y'all not caring. I've had it up to here with y'all not participating. Some of you are seniors and you do not have much longer, and if you've seen your grades, they're not cool. Chill out. All right, which one has to go first, guys?
1 and 5.
1 and 5, or 5 and 1. I'll put the 5 first. All right, I'm trying to get to 19, okay? So do I need to do 5 times which one of these? You want to do 2 and 6? Okay. If it's wrong, Blake, we'll just fix it. It's not a big deal. So they said 2 first, so we'll do 2. So if I do 2, what's 5 times 2? 10. All right, so let's see. That means I need to use the 6. What's 1 times 6? And that is not going to get me to 19. So Blake was right. We might need to use 3 and 4. So do y'all want to do 5 times 3 or 5 times 4?
5 times 3.
5 times 3 is how much? 15? Yep.
Plus 4 equals
And plus 4 equals how much?
19.
Positive 19. There you go. I know, Blake, but we got to go with what they said first. Y'all okay? All right. You got 2 more to do tomorrow. You got a quiz tomorrow as well, okay? So please be on time tomorrow. Please be on time tomorrow.
Wait, are we doing a thing for the?
Oh, thing? No. We're breaking the quiz up. Remember? Because quiz grades have not been so hot lately. So we're gonna break them up. Yeah.
So tomorrow we're doing 11 and 12. Tomorrow I'm going and doing 11 and 12.
Tomorrow we'll do. What's that? 11, 12. That's next. Okay. All right. Let's go on the back, page 3. Here we go. Page 3. Page 3. Page 3. Page 3. All right. Really easy. Wait, no. We have to do ACT stuff. I forgot all about that. Yep. Forgot about ACT. Number 16 through 20. Grab 16 through 20. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot we had to do that. ACT prep. All right. You can mark out 5 because we're not going to look at 5. And then if you look at 4, those are plus signs. They just got a little messed up. And 6, same thing. Those are plus signs, not division signs. And then number 3, you can mark it. There's an extra parentheses. That's not supposed to be there. Mark out 5. Number 3, there's an extra parentheses. That's not supposed to be there. And then those are all plus signs. They're not division signs. They just kind of messed up when we copied over. All right, so here we go. All we're going to do is what? Subtract like terms. What are like terms? 6 minus 4 is how much? 2. And then what's the x? X to what power? So the second, right? Don't mess with the exponents when you're subtracting. All right, what else do you see that's like? Careful, -3 and 1x, right? So use your calculator. Don't mess them up because of something silly, okay? -3 subtract 1. How much is -3 subtract 1? -4. Very good. All right, and last set of like terms?
-1.
Use your calculator. 2 subtract -3 is +5. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, does that make sense to everybody? Pretty easy, right? All right, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to work on 1 through 12. Do the ones that you can real quick. And while you're working on that, I'm going to call you up and check your homework. So when I call your name, bring me your homework. Your homework last night was to finish that page 2. So work on page 3, and when I call you, come on up here and show me your homework.
Number 6, I don't get it.
Number 2.
So I got 3y squared plus 18xy minus.
Hold on. 3y squared, and then what?
Then 18xy.
Yep.
And then minus 8x squared.
Perfect. All right, since we're on this side, let's go ahead and do number 4. What about number 4? What y'all get here?
I got 13x squared plus 7y squared.
Perfect. Very good. What about 6?
I kind of got mixed up.
Got mixed up?
First I got 9p to the
9p to the third is correct. Yep. 24 minus 15. Minus 2p squared. Very good, Aaron. That's -15 plus 13. Minus 4p. Very good. Very good. Yes, ma'am.
Well, I see the
Hold on.
Would it be wrong if I put 7y squared plus 15?
I would count it correct, but you would never see that as a multiple choice answer because we always put our letters in alphabetical order. But it's still fine, though.
I said a division sign though.
I see.
Remember I told you those were all plus signs. Remember I told you to fix them. It's the very first thing I led with. All right. What about number 3? What'd y'all get on 3? Very good. It's -4m squared minus 4m squared, okay? Those do not cancel out. That's not -4 plus 4. It's -4 minus 4, which is -8. Perfect.
Minus 12m.
And then minus 12m. Very good. Very good. All right, what about 7? When you distribute, remember you're multiplying, and when you multiply the bases from yesterday, what do you do to the exponents? You add them, so you should have gotten 6x to the third minus 10x. Y'all okay with that? All right, what about numbers 8? Distribute. What'd y'all get?
I didn't know.
42 minus 15 squared is 17.
Perfect, Aaron. Perfect.
So what? Wait, what?
You just distribute the 7a to all 3 of them.
7 times 6.
42a. And then 7 times -2 is -14a squared. And then 7a times -a squared is -7a cubed.
Is this going to be on the test?
Quiz, yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Well, plus all the stuff from yesterday.
Yeah, but that's easy.
Yeah. Well, as long as you remember the rules and you slow down. All right, what about number 9? So what do I do on number 9? What's the FOIL, right? Okay, what's my first?
X squared.
It's x squared times x squared. X to the 4th. There you go. All right, what's my outer?
-2, -5. So.
No, outer.
X squared times 7.
Which is 5x squared. Very good. out of the very 2 on the outside is x squared and 5 and negative 5. All right, what about my inner?
Negative 2x.
Yep. What about my last?
Negative 5x squared. Negative,
Oh, negative 2 and negative 5 is positive 10. There you go. All right, then you can combine these two right here. That gives you x to the 4 minus 7x squared plus 10. Y'all okay? All right, number 11. I don't want to FOIL. Why do I not want to FOIL? Because how many terms do I have?
3 or 5.
I have 5 terms, right? I have way too many. You're supposed to have 4. So you're going to distribute this 2n to all 3 of these. Then you're going to distribute the negative 3, okay? So let's do the 2n squared first. What's 2n squared times n squared? 2n to the 4. There you go. All right, what's 2n squared times 5n?
10n squared.
10 cubed.
Cubed. There's 3 of them. 2 plus 1 is 3.
Oh.
All right, and then what about 2n squared times negative 1?
Negative 10 squared.
Perfect. All right, I'm done with the 2n squared. All right, distribute the negative 3. Here we go. Negative 3n squared. Yep.
And then it's, is that negative 15?
Perfect.
And then, it's just 3
Plus or minus?
plus.
Perfect. Like, very good. All right, and so I got some like terms, though. Y'all see anything?
The squares.
The squares. That's it, isn't it? Yep. So 2n to the 4 plus 10n cubed, and then minus 5n squared minus 15n plus 3. There you go. All right, what about 10? Let's see if we can squeeze this in right here. Distribute the x. What'd you get?
It's 2x cubed. 2x
To the 4th. Perfect. What else?
We'll get a negative 3x squared.
Squared. Very good. Very good.
And then 1x.
Plus 1x. Yep. What else? I got to distribute the 1 now.
And then we're going to get 2x cubed.
Uh-huh.
And then 3x.
Plus or minus?
Minus.
Perfect.
And then we're going to get all that.
Plus 1. Very good, Tyler. All right, let's see. Do I see? Yep, I see like terms right here. Okay, here we go. Do them in standard form. Biggest exponent to smallest exponent. Which one's the biggest exponent? 2x to the 4. What comes before 4? 3. So I got to have this one next, right? Plus 2x cubed. What comes before 3? 2. So I got to have this one. Negative 3x squared. All right, combine the x's. What do you get?
Is that negative 2?
That is negative 2x and then plus 1. Very good. Very good. All right, let's do number 12 and then we'll call it. Then we'll review for our quiz tomorrow.
What about our tests?
Oh, we will get our test back too. Yes. We'll do that first. How's that sound?
Fantastic.
All right, here we go. Let's distribute. All right, here we go. Here we go. Allie, what do I get when I distribute first? 1x cubed. Very good. Reagan, what do I get when I distribute to the negative 3x? Squared. Perfect. Peyton, what do I get when I distribute to the 4?
4x.
Perfect. All right, Tyler, I'm going to need to distribute the negative 1. So what do I get first?
Me?
Yeah.
Negative 1x.
Perfect. All right, let's see. Jacob, when I distribute the negative 1 to negative 3x?
Mean positive 3x.
Perfect. All right, and then let's see. Sydney, when I do negative 1 to the 4? That would be negative 4. Very good. There's no x's between the two of them. 4x and 3x, and what else? I see no. All right, so I got x cubed, and that would be negative 4x squared plus 7x minus 4. Very good job, guys. Very good job. All right, here we go. Here's what we're going to do. While y'all are looking over your stuff for your test, for your quiz tomorrow, I'm going to call you up and let you see your test grades, let you see your averages, talk about your tests. All right. Look on page 10. Look on page 10. What do you see on page 10? Study guide. Looks like 1 through 5 would be perfect for y'all. 1 through 5 be perfect for your quiz tomorrow, okay? If you didn't get a 100 on your homework, you might want to fix whichever one you got wrong. So that way you can be studying for your quiz that way, because that's what's going to be on your quiz tomorrow.
If I finish the whole job, I should credit.
I'll think about giving you half credit. I'll think about it.